In today's video, you are going to see how to check drafts on Instagram. It's pretty easy. You just have to follow the steps I'm going to show you and make sure you don't skip the video. So just watch till the end. Head over to your Instagram application and then there head over to your story section. Tap on camera and then go to your gallery, and then there you'll be able to find the drafts of uh, your previously saved draft. So tap on it just beside the music, and then there goes your saved drafts. Tap on your draft, and here you can work on your story that you have drafted earlier and then just post it. And yeah, this is how you can find your drafts on Instagram. Hope this video helped you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.